This time, this place has done a lot for me. As I write this, on a beach just this side of paradise, I reflect that life is only as complicated as we choose to make it. There's a kind of thing that happens when the beauty of a place overwhelms you. You look at yourself in a whole new way. Think about things, about people differently. I think more positively. I'll be going home in a few days. But if there's one thing I'm certain of, it's that I'll be back.
Come back to your bed.